In the course of my work, I often need to design flexible printed circuits. The challenge here is often to find the correct length to shredder across components, and at the end of the day, provide a flat profile for the electrical engineer to lay out the circuit. We can make use of the sheet metal functions to do this. The key here is to first model out the shape of the flex in its bent shape. I have two simple blocks here that represent electrical connectors. I need the flex to go from one block to the next. To add to the challenge, the blocks do not line up. I also have obstacles in the form of these two cylinders, which I need to avoid. Let's hide the cylinders for the moment. First, we need to draw the side profile of the flex. Begin a sketch on this face. Draw a vertical line from the center of this edge and drag out a tangent arc. Wherever possible, we want to include a straight segment, as this would facilitate the folding and unfolding process. End with another vertical line on the next block. Activate the Sheet Metal tab. Go to Create Flange. And extrude this chain of sketch lines into a flange. I will be using the default sheet metal thickness here. We want a flange to terminate on this face of the next block. So let's click on this face. Let's bring back the cylinders. The cylinders obviously interfere with the flex at this moment in time. Let's use these cylinders to cut into the flex. Activate the Solid tab. Go to Modify, Combine. Select the flex as the target body. And select the two cylinders as the two bodies. Set the operation to cut. We want to keep the cylinders after the operation, so check on the Keep Tools option. If we hide the cylinders, we can see the resultant cuts. These cuts are not ideal for production. We need to make these cuts neater. This preliminary cutting operation is simply a means for us to know what is the minimum amount of material that we need to cut. To make it easier for us to sketch a more refined cut, let's unfold the flex. Activate the Sheet Metal tab. Go to Modify, Unfold. We are prompted to select a stationary face. Set this flat face as the stationary face. This face will remain stationary while the rest of the flange unfolds. Check on the Unfold All Bands option. With the flex unfolded, we can perform a sketch on this face to make a more refined cut. So this is the outline of the flex that we need. Use this profile to perform an extruded cut. We want to cut material on the outside of this profile. Let's set the operation to intersect. While this is unfolded, we can also make use of this opportunity to add fillets. From here, we can refold and bring back the cylinders to take a look at the overall design. Finally, we can create a flat pattern of the flags. Go to Create, Flat Pattern. And select a stationary face.